Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 28th of February today, Tuesday, and yesterday Bitcoin won back part of its drop over the weekend. Ethereum followed it, and today we will discuss whether the bullish trend still remains for both cryptocurrencies in the short term. And we will start with an article by Artem Petrenko and Bitcoin first. So, what has been happening with the flagship cryptocurrency during the week? The previous trading week began for Bitcoin with another attempt to gain a foothold about the 25,000 level, and the asset ended the week with a retest of the 22,900 support level due to the activation of sellers and the fall in Bitcoin quotes. Trading activity subsided over the weekend, which allowed buyers to seize the daily initiative and partially win back the weekly fall. As a result, Bitcoin recovered above 23,000 on Saturday, but failed to continue rising on Sunday. The asset approaches the new trading week with mixed positions. On the one hand, the bulls managed to restore Bitcoin above 23,000 level, but on the other hand, the fundamental news background indicates the likely start of a corrective movement in stock indices, and as we remember, Bitcoin is in direct correlation with stock indices. And it made a bearish breakdown of the 24 and 23,000 levels in parallel with the decline in the S&P stock index, and the correlation of the two assets falls only on weekends when stock markets are banally closed for the weekend. And what's happening with the S&P? Goldman Sachs and most leading US banks said that the stock market rally is coming to an end, and the increased interest of individuals indicates an overheated market. At the same time, they believe that the S&P can reach a bottom at around 3,100 levels with a hard landing of the US economy. However, the latest GDP and labor market data give hope that there will be no such hard landing. At the same time, markets are raising the likelihood that the Fed will intensify its aggressive policy and raise the rate to 6%. With this development, the risk of recession will increase. In parallel with the stock market correction that has begun, the US dollar index is feeling better, and according to recent estimates, investors are increasingly investing in US Treasury yield bonds as they have become more profitable than fintech stocks. And due to this, the US dollar index has acquired a local upward trend which can develop into a retest or update of the asset's high. And as of yesterday, the index reached 105 and continues to move upwards. What's happening with Bitcoin itself technically? It is returning to the fall of 2022 situation when the cryptocurrency and stock indices were declining in the presence of a bullish trend of the US dollar index. And despite increasing external pressure, Bitcoin holds on to key support areas. What also should be noted, the hash rate of Bitcoin increased significantly and reached a new all-time high, and historically an increase in Bitcoin mining difficulty preceded a rally in the cryptocurrency price. However, if we look at the chart and the indicators, they do not point to the formation of an upward trend. The stochastic and the RSI index are moving sideways, which indicates price consolidation. So if the cryptocurrency starts intraday growth in parallel with S&P, the information is of yesterday. We will shortly see this on the chart. We should expect an attempt to gain a foothold above the 23,800 level. However, the current bullish volume is not enough to break through this level, and that is the reason why Bitcoin is consolidating. So, making a conclusion, Artem says that the new trading week does not promise an update in Bitcoin price highs. The likely outcome will be consolidation movement within a wide range of 22,700, 24,000, and we should also expect the beginning of a full-fledged correction of the S&P index, which will significantly affect the further movement of Bitcoin. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And today, 28th of February, and yes, we see exactly the picture Tom wrote us, promised us yesterday in the midday, about midday. There was high volatility in Bitcoin. It tried to rise above 23,800 level, but it failed and it went down right after that. And again, it was consolidating about 23,300 level, and it opened today at 23,497, and now it is trading at 23,421. So everything is according to forecasts. It's still consolidating. It tried to reach the high of at 23,800 but didn't manage to do it, and it is still consolidating in a wide range of 22,700, 24,000 levels. And now let's get to another article by Ralph Shedler and Ethereum. Let's discuss another cryptocurrency. So what's happening with Ethereum? It also rebounded in the short term, and it seems determined to approach and reach new highs. As of yesterday, late evening, it was located at 1,647, far above its Saturday's low. It increased by 5.88% from Saturday's low. And as Ralph says, it developed a bullish pattern. Technically, Ethereum developed a flag pattern, which is seen as a bullish formation, and as we know from his previous analysis, the bars remain bullish as long as it stays above the lower median line. The downtrend line and the level of 1,676 represent immediate resistance levels. And it remains to be seen how the rate reacts around these obstacles. False breakouts may announce a new sell-off in the short term. So, a valid breakout above the downtrend line activates further growth and is seen as long signal. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And again, we see the same picture like on the chart of Bitcoin. It also was consolidating. Then yesterday during midday it went up. It managed to reach 1,660. Then it retreated, went down, and came back to same prices and it opened today at 1632, and now it is trading at 1627. Okay, this is all for today. We'll see each other tomorrow in our next review. As usual, I wish you profitable trading and successful day. Until next time, goodbye.